don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit faze me.
About to install bike lights on my son's bike. So for his birthday, the neighbor across the street got him some bike lights. His son already has his installed. Now it's our turn. So I'm gonna need a AAA battery, looks like. And here are your directions. Looks pretty simple. Let's try it out on the bike. So this package opens. Let's just see what's inside. Wires with the lights. Let's see, get that in here. Spoke light. Got an on button. I'm guessing that this is where you throw the battery in, right there. And then you tie these around the wheel. So let's see. So there's different versions of this. Not exactly sure where they got this one from, but I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. Obviously, this part goes down to the part where the spring is at. Self-explanatory. Boom. Throw that on. But like I said, I'm sure you can get one from Amazon or any kind of local bike shop. How are we gonna get this? Okay. All right. Get that going. Spin it on. Press the on button. Test them out. All right. So this is a multicolored one. I think you can get ones that are just a solid color. So yeah, it just stays solid. You can get a solid blue, a solid green, solid red, whatever color you want. But I'll test that. Now let's throw it on the wheel. So it looks like this piece is just gonna go in between your two wheels like that. And I'm gonna tighten it, lock it on, throw this around the wire just around the whole wheel, and ta-da, we're gonna be good to go. So we'll jump into that part now. You can cut the end off if you want to, but I just choose to wrap it. Who knows what's gonna happen in the future? I may need that extra piece. And there you go. Or
oh my God! Wow!
test that light. Alright, look like the directions were a little too simple. So because of how it looks right there up against that, I didn't feel secure about it. So I added this zip tie to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Well, when I move on to do the back tire, hold on a second, we'll show that. I discovered why I wasn't secure. So what's supposed to happen, and the instructions were kind of small and vague on this, but there's a little room in here. You see that? For this to go actually in there and then screw on, which is what I did not do there, but I will do here, and I'll go back and do that one, and then maybe I'll feel more secure about it.